Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make bonda, aloo bonda and batata what are called in some places. So first of all we will make batter, and for that the ingredients: 1.5 cup of gram flour besan, and this is our spices which we insert in the gram flour. So this is salt, half a teaspoon. This is soda bicarb or meta soda, uh, 1/6 of teaspoon. This is the turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. This is red chili powder, quarter teaspoon. And this is garam masala, 1/6 of teaspoon. So let's start the process of making batter. So this is our gram flour, and now in this add all our spices: green chili powder, garam masala, salt, soda bicarb and turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now I have taken 1 glass of water, clean water, to make the batter. First of all, make some space in the flour and add little water and mix it with the gram flour. The consistency of the batter should be like a pakora consistency. Add a little more water. I think this much consistency is good. Put it under the lid for 10 minutes. Hello friends, as our batter is getting ready, now it's time to make the aloo mix, potato mix, which we have to make tikki or patties, and then we will dip it in the gram flour batter. So for aloo bandas, the ingredients we need are I have 3 big potatoes which I had boiled and peeled, and I will mash it while making the aloo mix. Then here I have green chilies, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of shredded ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, finely chopped onions, and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Here I have put my pan in the flame, and now I am going to add little bit of, very little, mustard oil. Add cumin seeds, jeera, add finely chopped onion. Now you can see it gets golden brown in color. Now we will add shredded ginger, finely chopped chili pieces and turmeric powder in onion. Mix it. Now you can see our onion and green chili pieces cooked. Now add potatoes in the mixture. Mix it. Mash it in the pan itself. Mash your potatoes. Now add salt. 1 teaspoon. Now you can see it's mashed. quietly good. Now we will add our coriander leaves. Mix it. Cook it little bit up to 2 or 3 minutes. And our mixture is ready. Potato mix is ready for aloo banda, and we will let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes, and when it's cool then we will make potato patties. So now let's make the patties of our potato mixture. Take some water in your hands and in your fingers. Take some potato mixture from the pan. Make a roll. Now press it with both the hands and make a patty and kept it like this. Now our frying pan is ready, and now we will fry our aloo bandas. Add oil. Now here is our batter ready, and mix it one more time, and our patties are also ready. Now drop one patty into the batter. Apply some batter above the patties. I'm showing you how to drop it through a spoon. Our oil is getting hot. We will take that patty covered with gram flour batter with a spoon and add it to the oil. So here is our patties. Take a patty, drop it in the batter, cover it with batter and drop it in the oil. Take one patty more, drop it in the batter, cover it with batter and add it to the oil. Spread some oil above the vadas or patties. Flip it. And cook it till golden brown from both the sides. So here I have fried my aloo bandas, and you can see how delicious it's looking. Let's take it a bite. Delicious. This is the way it looks from inside. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this batata vada aloo banda recipe. Give it a try. I bet you will love it. So thanks for watching my video. See you soon with the next great recipe. Till then, bye bye.